Okay, we are continuing after part 1 by using suitable identity find the value of the following. So that means we'll not do direct calculation, we'll use formula, and we have to understand which formula will be the best suitable formula for solving this. Now number 1, it is 10.3 whole square. Now I can split this into 10 plus 0.3 and whole square, and then we'll use the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we got a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, so 10 square, that is 100. Now 0.3 whole square means it is 0.09. So you know this 0.3 whole square, and then 10 into 0.3 is 3 and 3 into 2 is 6. So finally we can say 100 plus 6, that is 106, and plus this, so that is 106.09. Okay, so without doing actual calculation we are solving this. Then again number 2, similarly 98 square. Now 98 square we can break as 100 minus 2 whole square, and here we are going to use a minus b whole square formula, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 100 square plus 2 square minus 2 into 100 into 2, right? So we got here 10,000 plus 4, and then so this. So finally we can say it is 10,000 minus 400, we get 9,600, right? And plus 4, so we can say 9604. Now number 3, it is 99 whole cube. So again 99 whole cube we can split as 100 minus 1 whole cube, and then we'll use this a minus b whole cube formula. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b, and in bracket a minus b, right? So we got 100 cube minus b cube means 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1, and in bracket we have what? 100 minus 1. So 100 cube means we will have 6 0 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1 cube means 1, then 300 minus 300, and in bracket what you have? You have 99. Okay, then we get this 1 2 3 4 5 6, we get minus 1, and then 99 into this will get 0 and 0, then 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 9s are 27, 28, 29. So we have 29700, and then we have this minus minus, so we get 29701. Okay, and then after we'll subtract this. Okay, after subtracting this we'll get this, that is 9 70299. Okay, and that will be the answer. Okay. Okay, then now next one is 98 into 102. Now we can split this one as 100 minus 2 into 100 plus 2. Okay, so that means we are using this identities a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So we get directly, we can say it is 100 square minus 2 square. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 4. So 10,000 minus 4. So we have 9,996. So that will be the answer. Okay. Okay, now this is an identity. Okay, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then always a cube plus b cube plus c cube is always equals to 3abc. But in this case we have to prove, we have to in fact prove that if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. Okay. In the further sum also sometimes they give you this in the heading that a plus b plus c equals to 0. Then in those sums we will always think that a cube plus b cube plus c cube will always be equals to 3abc. Directly we can say. But here we have to prove that. So we will start like this. We can say कि a plus b is equal to minus c, and then we will do cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. So we get a plus b whole cube is equal to minus c whole cube, and then we will use the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b, and you know minus c whole cube means it will be minus c cube, and therefore we can say that a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, and in this a plus b we know a plus b is minus c, so in this a plus b we will put minus c. In place of a plus b we will put minus c. So we got here minus c cube, and then we have a cube plus b cube minus 3abc is equal to minus c cube, and finally we can say a cube plus b cube minus c comes this side plus c cube, and minus 3abc go that side, so that is 3abc, and we can say it is hence proved. Okay, very important sum. Okay, now this sum is related to the previous sum that I told you, that if a plus b plus c, in fact this is cube here, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is always equals to 3abc. Now what they told, without actually calculating the values, find the values of this. So this is number 1, this is number 2. Now in number 1 if you see, now if I take a let a is equal to minus 23, b is equal to 15 and c is equal to 8, then what we get is a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c we get minus 23 plus 15 plus 8, we get minus 23 and plus 23, and we get 0. So therefore what we got, कि we know कि if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is always equals to 3abc. Now we have seen here that a plus b plus c, this plus this plus this is coming as 0, and therefore we can say that minus 23 whole cube plus 15 whole cube plus 8 whole cube is equal to 3 into a into b and into c. Okay, and after multiplying this we'll get as minus 8280, minus 8280. Okay, we'll multiply this, so this will be the answer. Okay. Okay, similarly for number 2, same. Here also if I take let A is equal to 1 by 4, B is equal to 1 by 3 and C is equal to minus 7 by 12, and then we'll find A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus minus 7 by 12. So finally we can say it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 and minus 7 by 12. And then we can take LCM 12. So we get 4 3s are plus 3 4s are minus 7. So you can understand we are getting 7 minus 7 by 12, and finally we get 0 by 12 is 0. Okay. Now so finally what we got A, therefore A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now we know, in fact, you should write, we know कि if A plus B plus C equals to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC, and therefore 1 by 4 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube and plus minus 7 by 12 whole cube will be equal to what? 3 into A into B and into C. Okay, so 3ABC, so this 3 and 3 got cancelled and nothing more, so 7 minus 7 and 12 into, we get minus 7 by 48. Okay. Okay, now in this sum they told if x equals to this 2y plus 6, then find the value of x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy minus 216. Now if you look carefully, you see x cube means this is the cube of everything, cube of this, because when you do 2y cube you get 8y cube, and when you get 6 cube you get 216. So what you do in this sum, x equals to 2y plus 6 is given, you just bring this alphabetical part and numerical part separate. So 2y, bring this side, so it becomes x minus 2y equals to 6, and just do cubing both sides. Okay, because you can understand you require cube. So when you do cubing both sides, you will get this x cube, you will get this, you will get this. So what you got? X minus 2y whole cube is equal to 6 cube, and then we'll use that a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So now here also this is ab, so we get a cube minus b cube, that is 2y whole cube minus 3 into a into b. Okay, and in bracket a minus b, and that is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is 216. So what we got? We got x cube minus 8y cube, 3 into 2 6, we get 6xy, and in this place x minus 2y we can put 6. So what we got? 6 and is equal to 216. So we got what? X cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy and 216. If I bring this side, because we require minus 216 and 216, and we get what? 0. So finally the value of this is 0. So the answer is 0. Okay. Okay, now in this sum it is given if a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 3, find the value of this. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc by ab, bc, ca minus this. Okay, we don't have to put directly the values. Without putting the value, we have to use some identities and then we will solve it. Now there is a formula, you know, that a plus b plus c and then a square plus b square plus c square, then minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, so this is the last identity I have given you, okay, in the first video. So a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c is equal to this 3abc. Now why I am doing this? Because you know, in this place I can write this. Now in this sum you can see it is there. Now if you put this value, then you can see the numerator and denominator are similar. They are actually not same now. So now what we can write? We can in this place. Now if you see the question, again I am writing the question, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and then it is ab plus bc plus ca minus then a square plus b square plus c square. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to this. So we'll write this now. We'll write a plus b plus c, and then we have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, and in the denominator if you see this part and the denominator is similar, but they are opposite in sign. Just try to understand, they are opposite in sign. You see AB, BC, CA are all positive here, but here you can see AB, BC, CA are negative, and here if you see that it is minus a square b minus b square minus c square in bracket, but here if you can see it is plus a square plus b square plus c square. So they are just opposite, but they are same. Okay, so what can I do? In the denominator, means in here I can take minus common. Now if I take minus common, then this minus will become plus. So it will become a square plus b square plus c square, and this plus will become minus. So that become minus ab plus bc plus ca. So we are getting this after getting minus common, right? Now it is a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and here what you have? Minus, and then in bracket, big bracket, we have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now if you see this full part and this part, they are same. Now I can cancel this, and finally my answer, now minus is there, so my answer will be minus a plus b plus c. This will be my answer, and now I will put the values of this. Okay, so a means 1, so minus and 1, b means minus 2, so it is minus 2, and c means minus 3. Okay, solve carefully. Okay, there should not be any sign mistake. So minus 2, minus 3, what I got? Minus 5 and plus 1, that's minus 4, and my answer will be 4. Okay. Okay, here they have given if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then find the value of this. So you can understand certainly that when this is given, then naturally a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So that means we have to use this anywhere. So we'll start like this, कि we know कि if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. Okay, so this will be required later. So first of all we have to find this. We will simplify this. So b plus c whole square. So we will write the question once more. And now a plus b plus c equals to 0. Now from these values we'll get these three values. Okay, so we'll start like this. So we can say that a plus b plus c equals to 0. Therefore first b plus c. Now b plus c means minus a. Similarly c plus a. From here c plus a means what? C plus a means minus b. And then a plus b. And a plus b means what? Minus c. Now we'll put these three values in place of these three. Okay. So now here if I take the b plus c whole square means I'll write minus a square and then bc, then minus b square, then ac or ca, and then minus c square by ab. Now minus a square means a square by bc, b square by ca, c square by ab. And now we can take LCM, BC, CA and AB, the lowest common multiple of these three will be ABC. And now from BC, now A is missing, so I multiply A into A square, that becomes A cube. Here B is missing from the LCM, so B into B square is, and similarly this will become C cube. And we know कि A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3ABC. So now we can put here 3ABC by ABC, and ABC got cancelled, and my answer is 3. Okay. Okay, now this sum very important. It looks complicated, but it's not very complicated. It is also, with this format, that if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. Now if you follow in this sum, now just neglect this cube. You see, if a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square, everything will get cancelled and it will get 0. It will get 0. Just try to understand कि a square minus b square, so this is the first term, plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now think this one as a, okay, this one as b, and this one as c. Now what you are getting? A plus b plus c. Now see what you are getting. This get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, and this get cancelled. So finally we are getting 0. So that therefore I can say कि therefore, now since a square minus b square, I told you think this one as a, plus b square minus c square, this one as b, and plus c square minus a square, think this one as c. So we got what? A plus b plus c. What we got? 0. So we know since this is equal to 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. Therefore a square minus b square whole cube plus b square minus c square whole cube plus c square minus a square whole cube will be equal to 3 into a, okay, a means this, into b, b means this, b square minus c square, and c means this, c square minus a square. Okay, so let it be number 1. Okay, let it be number 1. Now similarly in the second, in the denominator also we will do similar. Now again, you think this one as A, this one as B, this one as C, the inside part. Now here also we can say that this, I told you, think this one as A, this inside part as B, and this inside part as C. again what we get, minus a plus a get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, get this. So therefore we can say key, since a minus b, I told you, think this one as a plus b minus c, this one is b, c minus a is equal to 0. So we got this plus this plus this, we got the value as 0. So that means if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then we can say what, a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube will be equal to 3 into a, okay, into b and into c, and now we will put this value in the main sum. So therefore, now I'll write the question again, a square minus b square whole cube and this one is c square minus a square whole cube by a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube, okay. And therefore in this place, from number 1 we can put, in this place we can put this 3 a square. So this is equals to, we can give 3a square minus b square minus c square minus a square, okay, from 1. And this one is from number 2. So number 2, so this is number 2. So again this cube plus this cube plus this cube is equal to 3abc. So we will write here 3a minus b minus c and c minus a, okay. So first thing, 3 and 3 is getting cancelled, and now I can split this, factorize. A square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. Similarly, b square minus c square is b minus c into b plus c, and c square minus a square is c minus a into c plus a. And then we got what, a minus b, we got b minus c and c minus a, and then we'll cancel the respective term, a minus b, b minus c and b minus c is getting cancelled, c minus a and c minus c is getting cancelled, and my final answer is a plus b into b plus c and into c plus a, and that is the answer, okay. Okay, now in this sum you can see 0.75 3 times multiplied and this 3 times. So in this case, this a cube plus b cube formula will be used. So 0.75 cube and this is 0.25 cube. So that's a cube plus b cube, and we know a cube plus, so we know a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, okay. Now if you look carefully, this is a cube. If I think 0.75 as a, so if I think let 0.75 equals to a, and if I take 0.25 as b, if you look carefully, it is a cube plus b cube, and if it is, this is a square minus ab and plus b square. So therefore 0.75 whole cube, it is 0.25 whole cube, and then 0.75 square minus 0.75 into 0.25 and plus 0.25 square. Now this is a and this is b, so therefore I can say it is a cube plus b cube, and this is what? A square minus AB plus B square. Now I'll use the formula, this formula. So what I got? A plus B and A square minus AB plus B square, and then this is A square minus AB plus B square, and now this and this will get cancelled. So my final answer is final answer is A plus B, and then we'll put the value as 0.75 plus 0.25. So my final answer will be 1.00, and the answer is 1. Okay. So again part 2 of expansion is finished. So later on I'll come with more videos in part 3. Okay.